What's the difference between Medicare and private health insurance? Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the difference between Medicare and private health insurance. Yes, to know the difference between Medicare and private health insurance, you can just go over to your web browser and then type out what is the difference between Medicare and private health insurance, just like I have done here. And then, as you can see, an answer has been brought to the page. Medicare is a health insurance program administered by the government or on behalf of the government, while private health insurance comes directly from a health insurance company. But just because coverage comes from an insurance company doesn't make it private. So this is just basically the difference between Medicare and private health insurance. Then if you're not satisfied with this meaning, you can just go down again and then select this site over here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the page. Now on this page, scroll down to check out your answer. All right, now on this page you would see the federal government provides original Medicare and private company administer private health insurance and Medicare Advantage plans on behalf of the government. The cost of private insurance varies by plan type and coverage levels. In addition, some employers provide private insurance as a perk, that is, as a means of drawing people to their company. A person should access what they need from health insurance to help guide their plan choices. So this is just a basic difference between Medicare and private health insurance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.